What's going on, everybody? Good to see you. Good to be seen. Your boy Phil, News.California, gmail.com. Don't forget to hit me up, guys, for that information package on how when you get arrested illegally for filming in public, you know how to sue the cops. Reach out for that information package, guys, so you can win the big money and retire early in life just like me. Travel the world, travel the country, buy jets, motorcycles, whatever you want. Eat the fanciest meals every day, 24/7. Guys, you'll have so much money, it'll be coming out of your ears and you still don't what to do with it. Guys, today I am out in Yuma, Arizona, and I am going to show you my new residual income asset portfolio. Guys, check it out. This is it. All of this is mine, guys. All of this land is mine. I just bought it for a song, and what I'm going to do is I am going to open up an RV wash business because they need it out in Yuma, Arizona. And guys, it's residual income. Somebody sees you getting an RV washed, they're going, where'd you get that RV washed? And you say, reach out to Phil, News.California, you make a piece of it. Everybody makes a piece of it, guys. It's the way to go. Do you want to own a lake, a tree? Do you want to own papaya nuts? Guys, there is so much you can own with all the money that I can direct your way if you just reach out to me, Phil, News.California, for the information package. Guys, you got to remember, you have a right to record in public. Everybody's got a right to record in public, and if you don't use that right, you lose the right. Guys, record in public, get arrested, sue the cops, travel the world on their dime. Guys, it's a way to be. Today, I'm going to eat birria, and I'm going to show you the video, but instead, right now, I'm showing you all my land. I love it. And if you have an RV, hit me up because I've got a crew that's going to wash it. Phil, News.California, Hit me up, guys. It's residual income all the way, and we're going to catch you on the next video. Check it out. Is this exciting or what? Check it out. It's all mine, guys. It's all mine right now, and somebody's pulling in to get it done. Somebody's pulling in to get it done? No, nobody's pulling in because I don't have the business yet because I'm closing title tonight at 12 p.m. Guys, reach out to me. Don't forget to come out and see me. Phil's RV Truck and Wash, Yuma, Arizona. We'll catch you on the next video. Boom. Let's do it.
Hey, Phil, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup.